Hi everybody, this is Michael Stegner. Welcome to the first lesson of the Beatbots book. In today's lesson we're going to learn about Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol melodies, 5-note melodies, along with how to play them with all 5 fingers in both hands. Please remember to like and subscribe so that you'll see when future videos are posted, and I'll put links below on how you can get the book and also sign up for online lessons. Have some fun with this and let's get started. We're going to go to the 2 black keys and then go just to the left, just underneath the 2 black keys. And that now is going to be our Do for this book. Do in book 1 was here, Do, Re, Mi. But in book 2, since we need all 5 of our fingers, we're going to move things around and we're going to make this Do. And we're just going to put each finger on a white key, so we don't skip any white keys. So our thumb up to our pinky, Do, Re, Mi, and then the new note is Fa and Sol. So we got 2 new notes. Let's sing and play this together. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Okay, so let's try it again, and this time we'll go up and come down. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Now let's do that with the bottom hand. So now, our bottom hand, we're going to go to the 2 black keys. We're going to put our pinky on the Do, and each finger gets a white key all the way up to Sol, and Sol will be our thumb. So let's try it. Sing and play. 1, 2, here we go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. So we just went up each finger until we got to Sol. Now let's go Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, up and down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. All right, so now let's give this a try with both hands. Here we go. So we're going to just walk up like this and walk right back down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. All right, you see how that works? Let's just do it backwards. Let's start on Sol and go down and back up. Here we go. 1, 2, Sol, go. Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. All right, so you see how that works? You're going to use this a lot in this book. So now let's take a look at what that actually looks like in the book. So when you see it on the page, you'll know how to do it. Let's try and play through what's up together. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, play and sing. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. All right, so let's try that a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Practice What's Up, Hopscotch, Down and Out, and Stepping Stones. Be able to play all 4 songs with the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks. Remember to sing along while you play with the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, and Sols. Practice using groups of 2 black keys to help you find the new Do. For bonus, try playing one song along with the practice track of another song. For example, play What's Up while listening to the practice track of Hopscotch. Have some fun with this. Remember to like and subscribe for future videos.